Hey Rahul, welcome to the GTR 2020 speaker series. We would like to welcome you as our esteemed speaker for the lightning talk. Um, would it be possible for us to know a little bit more about yourself, please?
Yeah, sure, sure. Thanks for the opportunity, and I would like to converse with you.
Sure. So, can you please introduce yourself and talk a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Rahul Pethani. I have an experience of 15 years in different industries, and last close to a decade I am into IT. I have performed various roles in IT, including pre-sales, business analysis, uh, then project management, project coordination as well. I'm into more of ERP, enterprise content management, and business process management domains.
Excellent. So, since you are would be a speaker, would it be possible for us to know what is your topic and why should people attend your session?
Yes. So my topic is related to the workflows. I have narrated 10 test cases which every tester should include while testing workflows. Why I have kept this is one, it is my forte. I have been into processes where a lot of workflows were deployed and delivered. So I know quite a few nuances of them. Also, it's quite a generic topic. Pick any industry, pick any technology, you will find that there will be some workflows and tester will come across such scenarios. So it is widely applicable to entire IT fraternity, I would say. So that is why I have chosen the topic, my expertise as well as wide applicability.
Excellent. I'm sure that this would be a big value because workflows is something that is very important, and we are also looking forward for this wonderful session. Now, can we ask you some generic questions so that people know more about you?
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right, great. So, what keeps you going on a day-to-day basis, Rahul? What exactly is your success factor or your mantra behind how you make things happen around you?
So what I would see is last 15 years of my corporate journey, my professional journey. We see every new technology, new methods coming in. So one needs to be on the toes to keep learning the new technologies, to keep learning the new methods. Okay, I think 15 years back nobody had heard about agile much, but now agile is something which is very common and you need to be on top of that. So age is something which is not in your control, and you may at times feel that as progress in your corporate career you need not know much, but it is at time it comes into a situation where your juniors know much more about you do. So you have to keep learning. That keeps me going, keep learning new technologies, keep learning new methods.
Yeah, I think that's a wonderful way to keep going. Learning is one of the most important factors. We hope that people can learn every day, and you are being one of the role models. I'm sure that with your presentation and your talk, people will pick this up a lot as well. Now, on a general thing, can we know from where are you from, and what is something so special from your hometown or the place you are right now living?
Yes, I'm basically from Gujarat. I am born and brought up in Gujarat. I studied my masters in Pune. I have been to quite a few places for business reasons, in domestic as well as international. But the place where I live in, Ahmedabad, is one of the biggest cities of India. It's known for their culture, known for the food, known for the business, business minded people you will find over there. In terms of IT also, it's picking up slowly and steadily. But I would say it provides a very good place to live, a very nice, very nice city where you can enjoy your life and you can also progress in professionally.
Very true. I've been to Ahmedabad, and the stepwells are something really wonderful. I
Yeah.
wish that everybody can actually come to Ahmedabad and see those stepwells. Any specific food that you think is so special about Ahmedabad that people should try?
So there are quite a few Gujarati dishes, but I would say there are some joints you would like to go and try different things. Like there is one Manik Chowk, which is an open. It's a night food market. There is a cow gully kind of thing, which opens at 9 o'clock in the evening, and it is there till 2 a.m. or so. So you can go there, you can try various dishes and just enjoy your food habits.
Very
I
nice.
took
So
one of sorry, I took one of my African clients who came here to that place, and he enjoyed like anything.
very nice, very nice. And are you a foodie? Do you also love eating food or also making food?
Making food, Maggie is good, and at the most chai.
Yeah, yeah. Great, great.
But foodie, yes, I mostly like home food. I'm not that foodie that I would like to eat out much, but I like home food.
Very. Okay, so from our side, maybe this would be the last question. I think it will be good for people to know that since you have been in the industry for 15 years, you would have worked with so many leaders,
Yeah.
and now you are a leader yourself. What are the one or two mistakes or few mistakes that you would have learned from your own leaders that you would never like to commit?
Uh, yes, at times what happens that there is a group of or team of say 10 to 15 members, and there is some you know some disturbed environment going on between the team, and there are some mail chains going on. So deciding or dictating something on email and not calling up couple of team members who are actually having some difference of opinions, that should be avoided by the leaders. Leaders should pick up the phone or go to the table of someone who is having some concerns, and actually try to listen to both the parties and then try to suggest a solution, rather than just perceiving something to be true and dictating something.
Excellent. I think that's a very valid suggestion. So I can hear peacocks in the background. Do you have some around which?
Yeah, yes,
Very nice. It should be a beautiful environment out there.
yeah,
Uh,
absolutely. I'm within the city limits, still I get to see the peacocks out of my balcony.
Very good, awesome. So, on a general front, since you talked about Khawgali and because of the COVID situation, are they still operational? Do you think that we
Uh,
can visit sometime now in this kind of environment? Are they
yeah, yeah,
working?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Since last couple of months, there are less number of people you would see as compared to the pre-COVID era, but food is something which is the majority part of GDP of Gujarat.
No,
Eating
I'm a
out.
foodie myself. That's why my questions were so many with you for you for on that subject.
Absolutely.
Well, it was fun talking to you. We'll see more of you. We'll talk more from you, and we'll hear more from you. Other will learn from you. And looking forward for your presence in this year's fifth edition of GTR. We welcome you as a speaker. Hopefully, we'll see more and more folks from Ahmedabad attend this conference as well, and make
Yeah.
this a success. Thank you so much, Rahul.
Thank
Really
you.
awesome to
Thank
talk.
you from my side as well as from my organization, which is Concentric. Thank you.
Very nice. We're really proud to welcome you and your organization to this wonderful edition of the GTL. Thank you so much, Rahul. Cheers.